This is the ThinOptics Clarity Kit, and believe it or not, it's got 4 pairs of insanely thin reading glasses inside of this envelope. ThinOptics also gives you one of their super popular universal pods, which is this crazy thin case for your readers when you're not wearing them. You can attach it to the back of your phone or your tablet or basically any hard and flat surface. The Clarity Kit's for people who know that they need reading glasses, but they don't know what strength they need. You get 4 different strengths of these really cool reading glasses that just pinch on to the bridge of your nose. They're great for text messages or menus or little quick reads like that. So now, let's say you've got the 1.0s that you like, you're gonna take your universal pod and put the readers in there. Now you've got 3 pairs of reading glasses. What are you gonna do with those? Well, you can pass them on to friends, family, or coworkers because you know they're gonna ask you about those super cool reading glasses that you just pulled out of nowhere.